Our seller's fun vacation home in the trendy Windermere High School district is now available for sale, offering fabulous amenities such as a community pool, parks and playgrounds. Outside, a lovely front porch is inviting and the perfect place to sit and enjoy your morning cup of coffee. Inside, an open floor plan with extra storage, double pane windows, 15 Seer HVAC and all appliances offers a buyer a beautiful move-in home with quick close availability. A large open kitchen features 42-inch cabinets, black appliances, corner walk-in pantry, and has a magnificent view of the great room with combined living and dining space. The corner master suite is large with a roomy private bath, separate tub and shower, double sink vanity, and 9x10 walk-in closet. There are 3 other bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet, second full-size bath, and extra storage closets. The centrally located laundry room features front-loading appliances and built-in shelving. All bedrooms feature pre-wired electrical for wall-mount TVs. The back-covered patio is 8x23 and looks upon a large backyard with room for a pool. The driveway features brick pavers and the garage has upgraded speckle flooring. This one-story home, located in a popular area, is just 3.4 miles from Main Street in Walt Disney World. Brand new shopping and dining are all nearby, as is the 429, Turnpike, and Windermere Prep.